All right, what's going on, everyone? So today I just wanted to make a quick video to hopefully help someone out there that might be having a issue with your antifreeze. Now I have a 2010 Ford Mustang V6 4.0, just a normal package, and a couple of days ago when I was checking my oil, I noticed that there was no antifreeze in here. As you can tell, it is filled and it is still good. So I was looking around and I noticed back here, way back there below, there was a puddle of antifreeze, and I could see it leaking from the bottom, and obviously there would be a puddle of the antifreeze or the water, depending what I was putting in there. So I let it sit overnight after filling it, and it was in there in the morning. Yet when I drove to work, it was completely empty. So it was basically telling me as soon as it got hot, the engine got hot, this was just basically evaporating because it was leaking. So after looking around a little bit, and instead of bringing it into the shop and getting charged probably like $200, I found out that this piece back here, right there, this piece right here, that is your thermostat housing. It was about $18, and I ordered it from Amazon, and even though it said it did not fit my car, you can obviously tell it fit perfectly. It wasn't too hard to get it out. It was a little bit of a pain in the ass. You know, we had to take the hose off. You had to disconnect a couple of those hoses, but it came out pretty simple. A couple bolts. You unscrew them, you put them back on, and it worked. Now, before I did that, I did go underneath and I drained all of the antifreeze out just by unplugging the radiator, which I would definitely recommend you to do so. And if you do so, make sure you buy at least 2 gallons of antifreeze, because that thing is going to be very empty and it's going to need to get filled. So yeah, that's basically it. You know, for anyone out there, if you have antifreeze leaking, definitely check out your thermostat housing. That could be it. It's only about $20, maybe 22 bucks with Prime. It came in like 2 days. You can do it yourself. The only attachment you would need on the socket, I'm not too sure on what the name is, but it's where the socket can basically bend and you can screw it that way, because they're kind of a pain in the ass to get out. But other than that, it was fairly simple, and like I said, whenever you can save yourself money, do it up. So hopefully this helps, guys. I just hit my head on the roof. Hopefully that helps. Hopefully it saves someone money out there. But let me know if it helped you out, and definitely please leave a like, subscribe. Thank you. Have a good day. And really quick, this is going to be not a part 2, but just a second part of the video. This was the original the original thermostat housing that was in there. As you can tell, it is in terrible condition, just old, definitely needed to get redone. Now, if you have the money, you can pay $60 for the aluminum one, which is pretty much an upgrade, which I am going to be doing as soon as I get a couple extra dollars, just because I did like the way it looked. But if you can tell right here, now when I took this out, this was disconnected from this, and there's supposed to be 3 little hooks in here. As you can tell, they're all broken. So my guess is what happened is somehow those pieces broke off, and when that happened, this came undone and it was all leaking out of here. Because at first I was thinking it was maybe around here, but the cracks really aren't that bad, not enough to have any leakage. And I was actually going to put a bottle of water through here just to see where the actual leak was, but I am pretty damn sure that it was coming from right here. So like I said, guys, make sure you check it out before bringing your car into the shop, because we all know how it works. They're gonna charge you for some other stupid shit that you didn't even need fixed. But yeah, that's it. Have a good day. Peace out.